Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Spring Tool for your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? You just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser, and from here you just need to type for Spring Tool and Spring Tool Suite over here. So if you click on that, then we'll get a website called Tools Spring. So if you click on this, and then over here you'll find the option called Spring Tool for Visual Studio. So we're going to download a dedicated software. For that, you just need to come over Spring Tool for Eclipse, and then here you can see there is a different download operating system version over here. There is Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So going for the Windows, click on that. And after a short time, you can see the download has been started, and it will take 2 or 3 minutes to download. For that, keep patience. And you can see that there is a folder icon over here. If you click on that, then you'll get the Spring Tool Suite zip file over here. So if you click on that and then click on right mouse button, and then you can simply extract it. If you click on extract all and then click extract, and you can see that the extracting is started, and it will take some minutes to complete it. For that, keep patience. And after unzip the folder, you can see the Spring Tools folder will be opened over here. So if you just need to cut it from here to local C drive, just simply paste it over here like this, and then you just need to open this folder and going to open this Spring Tool Suite over here. And you can see if you minimize all the background apps, and you can see your Spring Tool Suite will be opened over here. I'm going to check this, use this as the default and do not ask again, and click on launch. And you can see your workspace Spring Tools will be open into your computer, and keeps Spring Tool for being scanned by Microsoft Defender. If you want to Microsoft Defender exclusion check, you can simply check any of these and then click on proceed. But today we are not looking for this. After that, your Spring Tool is opened. You can create a Java project or the Maven project. You can simply use the Spring Tool over here, and you can simply download it by these simple steps. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.